Welcome back to our channel. We are excited to have you here as we explore diverse ways to make money with the latest trends. We understand that many people are searching for ways to make money online, and our goal is to help you find the most efficient and legitimate ways to achieve your financial objectives. To make it easier for you, we have included some valuable links in the description below that you can use to get started on your journey. These links will lead you to excellent resources that will assist you in your quest to earn money online. In today's digital world, staying ahead of the curve is not only advantageous, it is also profitable. Just imagine riding the waves of internet trends, utilizing their momentum to generate revenue with minimal effort. It may sound too good to be true, but it's not. In this article, I will take you through my journey of turning trending topics into substantial profits and demonstrate how you can do it too. Unearthing trending topics. The goldmine of opportunity. So, how do you find these elusive trending topics that everyone is buzzing about? It's simpler than you think, thanks to an array of trend-spotting tools at your disposal. 1. Google Trends. Google Trends is a powerful tool that gives you a unique insight into the interests and concerns of internet users all over the world. With Google Trends, you can explore a wide range of topics, from the latest news stories and celebrity gossip to the most pressing societal issues and cultural trends. By analyzing the search patterns of millions of users, Google Trends provides a comprehensive view of what people are searching for and what's capturing their attention. One of the most fascinating aspects of Google Trends is its ability to provide geographical insights. By breaking down search data by region and language, you can see how different parts of the world are responding to different topics. This can be incredibly valuable for businesses and organizations looking to target specific markets or understand the global conversation around a particular issue. Using Google Trends is a bit like scrolling through your social media feed but on a much larger scale. You're essentially sifting through the collective consciousness of the internet, trying to anticipate what the world is searching for next. With Google Trends, you can stay ahead of the curve by identifying emerging trends and topics before they become mainstream. 2. Exploding Topics Pro. Are you someone who always stays ahead of the curve and wants to capitalize on emerging trends before they become mainstream? If yes, then Exploding Topics Pro is the perfect tool for you. This amazing tool is powered by machine learning, which enables it to predict emerging trends before anyone else can. You'll be able to see into the future and have a head start in taking advantage of what's about to explode. With Exploding Topics Pro, you'll have access to a wide range of data and insights that are not easily available to the general public. It scans the internet for emerging trends, analyzes them using machine learning algorithms, and delivers them to you in an easy-to-understand format. You'll be able to see what's trending, how fast it's growing, and what potential it has. By subscribing to Exploding Topics Pro, you'll be able to stay ahead of your competitors and be the first to take advantage of new trends. You can use this information to create new products, services, or content that caters to the needs of your target audience. The possibilities are endless, and with Exploding Topics Pro, you can be sure that you're making informed decisions based on accurate and reliable data. 3. BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is an exceptional tool that can be utilized by anyone who is looking to create content that resonates with their target audience. This tool helps you analyze social shares and engagements, which in turn assists you in identifying the topics that are most likely to connect with your readers and followers. BuzzSumo provides valuable insights into your competitors' content strategies, allowing you to discover new ideas for your content and gain a competitive edge. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or a social media manager, BuzzSumo can prove to be your secret weapon in crafting content that captures hearts, minds, and clicks. With its powerful analytics and user-friendly interface, BuzzSumo makes it easy to stay ahead of the curve and track the performance of your content over time. You can also use it to monitor your brand's online reputation and gain insights into what people are saying about your products or services. Overall, BuzzSumo is an essential tool that can help you create content that engages your audience, attracts new followers, and drives traffic to your website. With its comprehensive features and intuitive design, BuzzSumo is the perfect solution for anyone seeking to enhance their content marketing efforts and achieve their goals. Making money moves. Monetizing trending topics. Now that you've identified the trends, it's time to turn them into tangible earnings. Here's how. 1. Find your niche. If you want to attract and engage a broader audience, it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends and popular products within your niche. This way, you can create content that resonates with your audience and captures their attention effectively. You can start by conducting research and analysis to identify the most popular topics, products, and services within your industry. You can use various tools such as Google Trends, social media analytics, and keyword research to gain insights into what people are searching for and talking about. Once you have identified the trending topics, you can align your content with them by creating relevant blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates. By doing so, you can attract a more engaged and interested audience, which can ultimately lead to higher monetization opportunities. It's important to remember that relevance is key to engagement. By creating content that aligns with the latest trends and popular products, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche and build a loyal following of engaged readers or customers. 2. Filter with precision. In the ever-evolving world of online marketing, it can be challenging to discern which trends are worth investing time and resources into. While some trends may appear promising initially, they can quickly fizzle out, leaving you with a wasted effort and little to show for it. To ensure that your efforts are well placed, it's crucial to use reliable tools like Report SEO to sift through the noise and identify the most promising trends. When considering which keywords to focus on, it's important to look at search volume, competition, and the potential for sustainable growth. Choosing high-volume keywords with low competition can help you gain traction quickly, but it's also essential to evaluate whether there is potential for long-term growth. Rather than simply riding the wave of a popular trend, it's crucial to navigate it with finesse, keeping an eye on the bigger picture and ensuring that your efforts are sustainable over time. 3. Partner up. If you're looking to monetize your content or social media presence by promoting products or services, it's important to identify the target trends that align with your audience's interests. Once you've done that, the next step is to find affiliate programs or partnerships that are related to those products or topics. This will help you provide value to your followers and earn a commission for any sales made through your affiliate link. One way to find relevant affiliate programs is to search online platforms like Product Hunt or conduct a simple Google search. This can help you uncover a wealth of opportunities that you may not have otherwise found. Remember, collaboration amplifies reach and accelerates earnings. By partnering with other businesses or individuals in your industry, you can reach a wider audience and increase your earning potential. Don't be afraid to reach out and explore mutually beneficial arrangements, such as co-promotions or joint ventures. Just be sure to choose partners who align with your values and brand message, and who offer products or services that your audience will find useful and relevant. 4. Craft compelling content. When it comes to creating content that connects with your target audience, it's crucial to inject your personality and perspective into every piece you produce. This could be anything from a well-crafted blog post to an engaging social media campaign or even a captivating YouTube video. By doing so, you'll be able to establish an authentic voice that your audience can easily relate to and trust. When people feel that they can rely on you and your content, they are more likely to engage with it and take the actions you want them to take. This is why it's essential to keep your content real and engaging. Try to avoid being too formal or stiff, and instead, focus on creating a connection with your audience by sharing your personal experiences and insights. Remember, authenticity is key when it comes to building trust with your audience, and trust is what ultimately leads to conversions. So, put in the effort to infuse your unique voice and perspective into everything you create, and watch as your audience becomes more engaged and loyal to your brand. 5. Drive traffic. In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, it's important to remember that content is king, but distribution is queen. While creating high-quality content is vital, it's equally important to utilize both organic and paid channels to drive traffic to your offerings. This can be achieved through a variety of methods, including optimizing your content for search engines, engaging with relevant communities on social media, and even dipping your toes into the world of pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. However, it's important to note that attracting eyeballs to your content is only half the battle. Converting those viewers into loyal customers is what truly matters. To achieve this, it's crucial to ensure your content is engaging and relevant to your target audience, and that you have a clear call to action to guide them towards taking the desired action. Additionally, providing exceptional customer service and support can go a long way in building trust and loyalty with your audience. By focusing on both attracting and converting customers, you can create a successful and sustainable digital marketing strategy that drives long-term growth for your business. Riding the wave to success. Wrapping up, the digital world is constantly changing and evolving, and as an entrepreneur, it's important to keep up with the latest trends. This is where the power of trending topics comes into play. With tools like Google Trends and BuzzSumo, you have the ability to stay on top of what's popular and what's not. However, it's not enough to simply jump on the bandwagon and try to make a quick buck. Creating value for your audience should be at the forefront of your mind when monetizing trending topics. Your content needs to resonate with your audience and provide solutions to their problems. If you can do that successfully, then you'll have a loyal following that will keep coming back for more. The key to success is finding the right balance between strategy, creativity, and luck. It's not always easy, but with persistence and hard work, it's achievable. So don't be afraid to dive in and embrace the trends. Who knows, the next big thing could be just a click away. Just remember to always prioritize value creation over making a quick profit. And there you have it, folks. A roadmap to turning trends into treasure. Remember, stay curious, stay creative, and always keep your finger on the pulse of what's hot. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more tips, tricks, and tools to supercharge your online hustle. Until next time, keep riding those waves of success.